Welcome back to the Real Estate Investing Guide. This chapter entails other considerations. Chapter 11. Other considerations. Ask for blueprints or building plans. Sellers may or may not have plans or blueprints for multifamily investment properties. There is a high likelihood they will have them for commercial real estate. Either way, investors need to ask for this information. You never know. If you ask for it after closing, you can discover that the seller has thrown them away thinking they were no longer needed. Ask for warranty documents. Any sort of warranty documents should be reviewed, whether they be for a heating or cooling system, a recent roof installation, solar panels, elevators, etc. The investor will want to know how much longer the warranty on any physical items or services performed are good. This way, they can begin to think about budget creation for the maintenance or replacement of those things no longer covered by a warranty. Interview tenants. Not every investor seeks to interview residents in the property, but they should. If the seller seems weary to allow you to speak with the current residents, this could be a potential red flag. You want to be proactive in understanding the situation from the resident's point of view, because they might very well know things the seller doesn't know. If there is a problem in their unit or something that needs to be fixed in the building, they will likely know about it and won't be afraid to share the information with you. If for some reason you are unable to interview the tenants in person, you should at very least put out a survey or questionnaire and ask them to send it back to you, and provide a small incentive for them to facilitate their engagement and elicit their feedback. Ask the tenants if they could change anything about their unit or building. What would it be and why? You'd be surprised what might come back just by asking basic questions about their overall experience and things they like or might want to change. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video. Looking to sell your home? Contact us and we'll show you why we have a competitive advantage in getting you the most money for your home. LakerRealEstate.com 763-645-4617